In this tutorial, you will learn how to turn any photo into a pencil drawing using a very fast method. Open any photo that you want to transform into a pencil drawing. I chose one of my own photos without a background. Create a duplicate layer of the photo by right-clicking and choosing Duplicate Layer. Change the layer mode to Color Dodge. To invert the image, go to the Image menu, click on Adjustments, then select Invert, or use the shortcut key Ctrl+I. Create an adjustment layer for hue and saturation, and set the saturation to -100. Select the inverted layer, go to the Filter menu, choose Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and adjust the blur to achieve the desired pencil drawing effect.